Hello, in front of me I've got Red Dead Redemption. In this video I'll show you how to check player stats. In the beginning, let's go to Options and go to Stats. Here, in General, you can check Honor, Fame, Game Completed, Total Time Played, Day Passed, Mission Completed, Cancelled, Retired, and Location Missions. Next, you can manage your current missions, strangers, crimes, travels, money, combat, collectibles, score, and misc. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.